Okay, sorry, I'm the here the list of the disease which is caused by the protozoan is given. Okay, so in which first column is first column mentions the name of the disease, then second there is a causal organism is given, then in third column vector is given, and in third column disease mechanism, that is the pathogenesis is given, and in last column disease symptoms are given. Okay, so in first disease is that malaria. So this malaria is caused by the Plasmodium plasmaparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, and the Plasmodium ovale. And the hook vector which is responsible to cause the disease is the female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, so how the disease develop? So first, parasite attack on the liver and RBC. After that, they multiply in liver cell and enter into the bloodstream. And after entering into bloodstream, they the RBCs or red blood cells get rupture, and after their rupturing, they release a toxic substance that is the hemozoin, and this hemozoin which cause the fever. Okay, so this is all disease occur in the sporozoites infectious stage. Okay, so what are the symptoms of the malaria? So first one is a fever, then headache, vomiting, abdominal pain. Okay, sometimes there is some fatal situations are created. Okay, so in that the if we are not treated properly, so this is the which leads to the organ failure and the convulsions. Okay, so this is the first disease which is caused by the uh, 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 protozoa. Okay, the second disease is that amoebiasis. Okay, so this is also called as a amoeboic dysentery. Okay, and the organism which is protozoa which is responsible for that is the enter amoeba histolytica. Okay, then next column is the vector. So it is not transmitted by the vector. Okay, it get transmitted by the contaminated food and water. Okay, so here also choice of the question. Okay, here in you can see here is also vector is present. Okay, to transfer the disease, but in amoebic dysentery it is transferred by the food and water, not living vector. Okay, so what are the pathogenesis? So first it invades the intestinal mucosa and spread over the parts like the liver, then they cause the dysentery, liver abscess. Okay, and the infected stage of this amoebiasis is the trophozoites. Okay, in malaria infectious stage is the sporozoites, in amoebiasis infectious stage is the trophozoites. Then next is that what are the symptoms? So first one is the abdominal pain, then loose bowel movements, blood stool, loss of appetite, nausea, and the fever. So these are the symptoms of the amoebiasis. Then next, the protozoan disease is the African sleeping sickness. This is also called as a trypanosomiasis. Okay, and it is transfer the protozoa which is caused this disease is the Trypanosoma brucei, Gamiacins, Trypanosoma brucei, Rhodocynins. Okay, and the vector which transfer this disease is the testis fly. Okay, and the mechanism or pathogenesis is that B lymphocyte proliferation leading to the tissue damage. Okay, so that is the pathogenesis of the American sleeping sickness. Okay, and the symptoms are the high fever, muscle, joint pains, irritability, swollen lymph nodes, skin rashes, left. Okay, and neurological problems. So this is all the symptoms are occur in the African sleeping sickness. The next one is the trichomoniasis. So which is caused by the Trichomoniasis vaginalis. Okay, so it is a sexually transmitted disease. Okay, and the what is the pathogenesis? So generally destroy the epithelial cell, cytotoxic substances are released, vaginal pH increases, and due to increase in the pH, number of leukocytes also increases, and which are responsible to the toxic substances released by the pathogens. Okay, and what are the symptoms? Itching, burning, then the discharge. Okay, of the genital organs. Okay, then there are the many complications is also occur in the trichomoniasis disease. Then next one is the toxoplasmosis, okay, which is caused by the Toxoplasma gondii. Okay, it is an example of the protozoa which causes this disease, and it is transmitted by the contaminated water, soil, okay, and sometimes transmitted to the fur of the animals. Okay, so here living vector is not present, but they can be transferred through the water, soil, and the animal fur. Okay, and what is the pathogenesis? So sporocyte penetrate the intestinal cells, multiply in the intestine, invade the lymphatic system, bloods, and damage the tissues, and which leads to the necrosis. So this is the pathogenesis of this disease. Then what are the symptoms? So redness of the eye, blurred vision, flu-like symptoms are present in this disease, that is the toxoplasmosis. Then next one is the balantiasis, okay, which is caused by the Balantium coli, okay, and the vector is the pig, okay. Then excitation occur in the small intestine, then the sporocyte migrate into the colon. So these are the pathogenesis of this disease, okay. Then next is that what are the symptoms? So ulcer, due to the ulcer, lesion is formed in the colon, colitis of the blood, and sometimes mucus formation in the stool is the symptoms of this disease. Then next is the giardiasis. So this is one of the pathogen protozoan disease which is caused by the Giardia lamblia and Giardia duodenalis. Okay, so here vector is absent, but it can be transferred to the food and water. Okay, so what is the pathogenesis of the this disease? So mucosal damage, okay, then mucosal infection, malabsorption of the proteinase enzyme, and pancreatic enzyme depletion is occur in this disease. Okay, then the what are the symptoms? So diarrhea, nausea, weight loss, and flatulency is the mechanical and watery and full smelling, okay, are the symptoms of this disease. Then last disease is leishmaniasis, which is also called as a kala azar. Okay, they may ask the question, kala azar is also caused as a, sometimes they may ask it is caused by, okay, so this is the leishmaniasis is also called as a kala azar, okay, which is caused by the Leishmania dinovani, okay. And what are the symptom vector? So female sandflies are the vectors of this disease, okay. And what is the pathogenesis? So generally macrophages get activated, sometime mark suppression in the cell mediated immunity is occur, okay. And what are the symptoms? The liver and spleen enlargement, fever, and the skin turns dark are the symptoms of this disease. So all these are the diseases which are related to protozoa.